Past the word game.
With letter A is a fruit. Could be yellow, green or red. With letter B, it's an animal that eats at night and sleeps in the day.
C. You can see it on a head of queen or king.
With the letter D, animal that has been extinct for a long time.
E. The planet where we live.
F. A flat surface. There are many in the countryside and there are grasses and flowers on them. Letter G is a very bright color and very valuable. You can find in the mines, but if hard to find. H is an aircraft whose list is derived from the atomic forces acting on one or more powered rotors turning about vertical axes. I. You eat it in summer and it is very cold with different flavors.
J. Sweet food. Fruit crushed with sugar.
K. Use this object to open the door when it's locked.
K. L. Object that serves by light in the house.
M. You do it every day, in your house and in the outside also.
It's on the top of the earth. This place is one of the coldest of the world. Now it's melting down because of the global warming.
O. It is autumn. It is the 10th month of the year.
P. Food consisting of a base of bread, then around covered with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and other chopped ingredients. It has an Italian origin.
Q. 1 hour has 4.
With the earth, little drops that fall from the clouds in the sky. With letter S, it's a red fruit. It's delicious with sugar or cream.
T. It is a very slow animal and it wears its house on it.
With the letter U, building where you study a career.
B. A game where there are 2 teams and they pass the ball with their hands.
W. Sunny, cloudy, windy are kinds of these. X. A brand that makes mobiles, watches, computers. What is it?
Y. A dairy product that can have different flavors, plain, strawberry, or other fruits. We sometimes eat it with sugar or honey. It is tasty and healthy.
Z. An animal with black and white stripes.